this video, I'm going to show you how to enable social media link preview for your Canva website. So what this means is when you copy the link for your Canva website and paste it and give it to someone else, it's going to embed a little image that shows a preview of your website that's under or above the link that you sent. So it's a nice way of promoting your website a little more. So click on Publish Website at the top bar, and then click on Settings at the bottom, and then make sure you're in the Site tab, and then enable Social Media Link Preview. And then it's going to show you a preview of what this image is going to look like. And that's it. So make sure to publish the changes, because if you exit right now and stop, this is going to turn back off. So you have to publish the changes for it to reflect in your actual website. So let's click on Republish, and let's wait here. And that's it. So now if you copy this link for your website and then paste it somewhere, you're going to see a little image that pops up after you send the message. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.